Hey my Sky Savers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim and this is World of Sky, a world for women and moms looking to save money and get the most bang for your buck. And today we're talking all about how to coupon at Dollar General. Dollar General is a great place to coupon at. You can see some really big savings. So today we'll talk about some tips, some tricks, some hacks to use when you're shopping and couponing at Dollar General to get the most savings. So Dollar General is just kind of like a dollar store. It's similar to your Family Dollars and things of that nature. Everything is not a dollar, but everything is very reasonably priced to begin with. And then you use coupons on top of that and you can see how you get some really good savings. Comment down below and let me know how many Dollar Generals are in your area, right? So some people are like, I don't have a Dollar General within an hour from me. And some people are like, I have 5 within 15 miles. I would like to know how many Dollar Generals are in your area. For me, I have 2, and then maybe there's a third one that I visit. Sometimes it is a little bit further, but sometimes I will stop there if I'm doing some other errands in that area. Comment down below and let me know how many you have in your area. Also, before we get into the video, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, trust me girl, your purse, your wallet, and your bank account will thank you. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right in. So these are the things that you want to know when you're couponing at Dollar General. Okay, so first up are some very basics of couponing at Dollar General. Let's talk about the types of coupons that Dollar General does accept. Dollar General accepts manufacturer coupons as well as Dollar General coupons. If you are not familiar with how to identify which is what, make sure that you check out this video. It talks all about the different types of coupons and how to identify what type of coupon is what, okay? But Dollar General does accept their own store coupons as well as manufacturer coupons. The identical coupon limit at Dollar General is 5, okay? So 5 identical coupons can be used per day per household. When it comes to stacking coupons at Dollar General, that's a yes. That is something that they do allow, as well as they do give you overage at Dollar General. Unfortunately, at Dollar General, they do not accept competitor coupons. So the only coupons that you will be able to use are manufacturer coupons and Dollar General coupons. So I ran through some of the basics when it comes to Dollar General on the couponing. If you want a copy of my free couponing policy guide that lists all the most common shopped at stores and will tell you, do they allow overage? Can you stack? What is the number of identical coupons that you can use in a day? All the information that we just talked about for Dollar General, it has it for Target, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, all those stores. It's all in one easy document. You can download it, save it to your phone, and then you can use it as you're shopping. This way you know what you can and what you cannot do at each store because every single store is different. It's annoying, I know, but I don't make the rules. We just have to follow them when it comes to couponing. If you're interested, I will leave the link for you in the description box below. So check it out. Totally free to you. Really good for beginners, but also experienced couponers, just to have all of that information right at your fingertips when you're shopping. You really can't beat it. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do before heading to Dollar General to coupon is to download the Dollar General app. You should be able to find it in your app store, whatever type of phone that you have. It's free to download, but you will need this because this is where they house all of their digital coupons. Once you have it downloaded, you'll need to create an account, and then you can start like clipping coupons, right? Not literally clipping them, but digitally clipping the coupons within the app. You can simply add coupons by clicking the little plus sign next to the coupon and continue to scroll through the app, add coupons that you think that you will use, and then you're able to redeem them at checkout simply by entering in your phone number. So that is how the Dollar General app works. Be sure that you download that app before you try to do any couponing at Dollar General. Otherwise, you won't get your savings, girl. The next tip. One reason why Dollar General is so good to coupon at is because of Saturdays. On Saturdays, they offer a $5 off of a $25 purchase. Every single Saturday, they offer this deal. So in addition to using your manufacturer coupons, your other Dollar General coupons, you can also use this $5 off of $25. So do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see how you can come out of there winning on a Saturday? The coupon is only good though for that specific Saturday that is listed on the coupon. So take note, make sure that you have the most up-to-date coupon to use. And remember, it's only good on Saturday. It's not good for like the rest of the week. Like a lot of coupons run from like that Sunday to Saturday. It's not good for that whole time. You can only use this coupon on a Saturday. You can find the coupon in the Dollar General app, or after you've made a purchase on your receipt, it will print at the bottom of your receipt. and then you would be able to use that for the corresponding Saturday that is listed on the coupon. If you are liking this video thus far, please make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. It does really help me out. And also, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Join us, come on, join us at World of Sky and save some coins. Number 3, let's talk about clearance items. You can use coupons at Dollar General on their clearance items. So y'all, hear me out. This is one way to score free, yes, free, and if not free, very cheap items at Dollar General by using coupons on the clearance items. Now, I know, Dollar General is already a little bit messy. It's not the most organized store that you've ever been, okay? It's not going to look like Target. And then you get to the clearance aisle and it looks worse, right? So it looks like a tornado straight up hit the clearance aisle. So I know that can be a little bit intimidating. It's not for everyone. But if you want to tackle that fear and jump right in and hunt through all those clearance items, you may be able to find some bomb deals. Number 4 is to shop the dollar aisle at Dollar General. You can use your coupons on brand name items that are in the dollar aisle at Dollar General. So it's a great way to score some free items, just like the clearance section, but you don't have to do all the digging and hunting. Usually like the dollar aisle is better organized and is not as messy as the clearance. So this is another option if you don't want to tackle the clearance section. But the only thing that you want to look out for and keep your eye out for is if that item is travel or trial size. Make sure you are reading your coupon, read the fine print, okay? And it will tell you if you are able to use a coupon on travel or trial sizes or if it's not allowed, okay? So make sure that you pay attention to that when you are shopping the dollar aisle. Number 5, unlike a lot of other stores, Dollar General actually will give you overage. That means if your coupon is over the amount of the price of the actual item, they will then take that difference and apply it to the rest of your transaction. Super dope. This is a really good strategy to use for additional savings. So let me break it down. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's say that you're buying toothpaste for $1, okay? And the coupon that you have is for $2 off. So your toothpaste is only $1, your coupon is for $2. That leaves an additional $1. Instead of you losing that $1, they will take that and apply it to whatever else you are purchasing in that transaction. Does that make sense? Okay, so it's super nice. It's almost like having an additional $1 off your transaction coupon if you want to look at it that way. Okay, and if that has your wheels turning and you're thinking, whoa, what if I use multiple of these in the transaction? Because remember, you can use 5 identical coupons in one transaction per household per day. Okay, it could be like an additional $5 off, and then you use that, plus you use the $5 off at 25 on Saturday. Oh, you see where I'm going with this? Couponing at Dollar General is really good, and you can see how you can maximize, come up with a strategy to save even more money. The last tip that I have for you today regarding Dollar General is that you cannot split up your transactions to kind of get around their coupon policy. You just can't do it. Some places will allow you to split transactions so that you can maximize your coupons in that one trip, but Dollar General is not one of those, okay? So keep that in mind when you're going there. You can't be doing a whole bunch of different transactions. So if you want to use several coupons, you may have to make multiple trips to that store, or come here, come closer, I'm going to tell you something. Get in good with the Dollar General cashiers, okay? They may make an exception for you. Okay, so how do you get in good with them? You can either give them some of the coupons that you have so that they can use those coupons on some purchases later, or you can actually give them 1, 2, 3 of the items that you have already couponed for. They will appreciate it. That will be enough to kind of sweet talk them in the future. It's like dating, girl. You gotta romance them. You gotta romance the cashiers. Trust me, it'll be worth it to you in the long run if you're gonna continually go back and coupon at that store. They'll get to know you. They'll know that you'll hook them up from time to time. And you don't have to make several trips to the store. Why? Because you have your cashier. You have your go-to cashier, and she knows what the deal is when you come through the door. Okay, that's it. So those are my 6 tips, hacks, tricks, whatever you want to call them, for couponing at DG or Dollar General. I hope that you found them helpful, and I hope that you will be able to use them when you go and coupon at Dollar General. Before you go, please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell so you do not miss any future uploads from me. I do upload a new video every single week, and it's pertaining to saving you money in some fashion. That is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Happy saving!